An investigative panel has concluded its probe into allegations surrounding the imprisonment of Idris Okuneye. The panel's findings have shed light on the controversial case that has captured public attention. Bobrisky, the well-known crossdresser, served a 6-month sentence from April 12th to August 5th, 2024. Rumors had circulated that he was kept out of the custodial center during this period. Still, the panel's report has dismissed these claims. Uju Agomo, Executive Director and founder of Prisoners Rehabilitation and Welfare Action, who served on the investigative panel, stated the panel did not find any evidence thus far that suggested Mr. Okuneye slept outside the custodial center during the period of his imprisonment. While the investigation found no proof of Bobrisky avoiding jail time, it did confirm that he received certain privileges during his incarceration. The nature and extent of these privileges were not detailed in the panel's initial statement. Agomo clarified that Bobrisky's 6-month correctional sentence was served with the usual remission applicable to such cases, indicating that standard procedures for sentence reduction were followed. This report responds to widespread speculations and public concerns about potential preferential treatment in the justice system. The panel's findings address these concerns and provide transparency regarding the high-profile case. As the full report is yet to be made public, questions remain about the specific privileges Bobrisky enjoyed and how they compare to standard prisonal treatment.
For us, we have nothing to hide, and for us, it's about reform and it's about cleaning the process and making sure that we build strong institutions, and we build institutions that will uplift each and every one of us. The Nigerian Correctional Service is a key institution within our justice system. And within even the national security architecture, the Nigerian Correctional Service is a very, very key institution. And therefore, any form of corruption, any form of malfeasance, any form of abuse of power, torture.
The case continues to spark discussions about equity in the correctional system and the treatment of celebrity inmates. The conclusion of this investigation marks a significant development in a case that has captured national attention, touching on issues of justice, celebrity, and the inner workings of Nigerian correctional facilities. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.